All right, Leo, real quick, we're back, wrapping up the day, but we're getting our job ready for Monday. 2020, I believe it's 2020 SportGlide. Bike is nice. In here for a nice cosmetic change, handlebars. Gonna go with these 14-inch Cycle Smith handlebars. We're going with Magnum shielding cable kit, black pearl. It's gonna look nice. We'll show you before and after, but 2020 SportGlide is gonna get a makeover. All right, Leo, we're back. So 2020 FLSB Harley Davidson SportGlide handlebar job is a wrap. Went with the Cycle Smith 14-inch ape hangers as well as the Magnum shielding black pearl cable kit. So I think it looks really good. You got the fairing, gunmetal gray. If you're looking to upgrade your Harley, give us a call. But a nice before and after on this 2020 SportGlide.